Good morning, folks. It is day one of the video challenge, and I am jumping in to give you today's instructions. So we're going to start off with your first day, a really, really easy one, and that is go live. Now, some of you might be thinking, go live, that is like the scariest possibility ever. But the reality is, if you just go live, you can't overthink it. You can't retake it 30, 40, 50 times. You just press live and you just go for it. So I wanted to give you some tips around ideas that you can do when you're going live out to your community. I also want to let you know that if you are new to videoing and this whole idea terrifies you, but you're courageous enough to jump in and have a crack anyway, you can go live into this group. So where can we go live? Well, you can go live through a story. You can go live on Instagram. You can go live on Facebook to your personal page, to your business page, or to any group that you are part of. So right now, I'm shooting this as a live video. So day one for me, check, it's done. But actually, I'm not going to use this as my entry. So I'm going to be coming in here each morning, giving you some instructions early in the morning so you know what to do for the day. And then I'm also going to take the challenge on my Facebook page. And I've also decided I'll do it on Instagram, and we'll also do some little videos on my story each day as well. So story of Instagram, story of Facebook. Let's not worry about stories for today. Let's just rip the Band-Aid off and do your live. Now, what works well for a live? Well, do you know what people love to see is tours. Walking around is a really good way to get some more traction because people are nosy. They want to see inside your life. They want to see behind the scenes. Good morning. Thank you so much for tuning in live as I'm coming to you here. By the way, I see you are a Facebook user. You can either type your name in the chat so I know who you are, or above this video, because I'm going live using a software program called Ecamm, there's a little link you can click, and that gives Ecamm permission to let me know who you are. And it just means when I pop up your comments like that, there'll be your profile pic and name so I know who I'm talking to, which is very cool. So that's all part of Ecamm. But let's not get caught up on that right now. Let's just give you some tips on going live. Now, at the moment, I am sitting in my office. I've got my laptop. It's the beautiful Michelle Lewis. How are you, Michelle? Thank you so much for tuning in live. I've got my laptop. So this is filming through my laptop. I've got a Rode mic plugged in to my laptop. And I'm operating off of a desk that's one of those sit down, stand up. So if I press a button, my desk will go lower. Hello. And if I press the other button, my desk comes higher. So what I do when I'm sitting down, if you want to sit down and go live, is I look for the best angle, and I also turn around looking for the best light. This room is pretty good when it comes to light. Right now, my table is too high, so we go down. Good morning, Tony Everard. Love a video challenge. Look, Tony, you are doing great on your videos at the moment. I think you're probably already doing one a day, which is awesome. So I'm thrilled that you're going to be around for this video challenge as well. Today's task, go live. So the other thing I was saying that works really well with lives is tours. I'm a fan of the selfie stick. I know a lot of people think that they're super dorky and a bit embarrassing. But my family are like, oh God, here she goes again. I'm always getting out my selfie stick. I recently, inspired by Amber Rushton, the founder of Red Hippo and Website in a Week, who came to our retreat, bought myself this beast. So this is a road vlogger. It's a couple of $100. You don't need to go out and buy anything crazy like this. This bit here, let me take this off and show you, is a windbreak. So if I'm down the beach and I want good quality sound, so that microphone is a Rode microphone, and see how it just plugs into your phone. Now I'll just let you know that this is one of those jacks that will go into a normal earphone jack. You can get them with an Apple plug-in, but I wanted to get the universal, which means I just get this adapter with the lightning bolt thingamy. Pop that on there. I already had the adapter. Pop it in here, and now the sound comes through here. It's also got this funky little light. Ta-da! And it's got coloured filters. So when you're filming yourself, you've got light and a filter if you want to look like a real professional vlogger. But just a basic selfie stick is a good idea. The other thing, oh, let me turn that off. So it's the other thing that can be really handy is a little ring light that you can pop straight on your phone like that. They're pretty cool. I don't really use them. I've got all the stuff, doesn't mean I use it. I also have this thing, which is a ring light and a phone stand that clips on your desk. So yeah, I do love a gadget. I do use that little ring, this thing that I just showed you. That's my microphone. But I do use this thing because I like putting my phone in there, getting the light right and stuff. Every now and then I'll do a video with that. Mainly, I do videos from here. But here's what I want, my tip for today is when you're doing a live, walk along. Now, I know it's scary, but if you've got a selfie stick, walking on a beach or walking in a park while talking is a really nice way to get your energy. And even though it feels like, oh my God, people are going to think I'm a freaking nut, just don't worry about what they think. It always comes across good because people love to watch where you're walking. When you are live, you can also press a little button and have it flip around so you can take people on a tour of where you are. And in fact, that's what I'm going to do for my live today, is I'm going to give people a tour of our new office we've set up for our videographers. I'm going to let you meet the team and show you our team planning day and just give people a sense of what's going on here at the 7 Effect. If you are in a business that's very lifestyle-y or where you help people achieve their goals and sort of strive for this aspirational type life, which we do here at the 7 Effect. Sorry, I should bring my mic in. When you go on holidays, some of our best performing live videos are literally me doing a tour of the accommodation that we're staying at. People love to check that out. So even if you've done some renovations in your home, Michelle Lewis, you need to be doing lives on all your projects, walking people through the renovations that you do, showing them the before stuff, maybe introducing them to the tradies, giving them some tips on what you've sourced and all the bargains you've put together. Live videos for you, Michelle Lewis, are the bomb. Tony does great lives, which are just on the moment. She came in and did a podcast recording with me last Friday. And then I saw straight after she jumped in her car, she put her camera up and she did a live reflecting on some of the stuff that we talked about at the podcast. And so she was just sharing value to her community. Tony's lives get a lot of traction because she's just sharing little nuggets, usually inspired by her everyday life. So there is opportunities for content everywhere. Let me unplug my mic, so hopefully this will work. And I'll unplug all the things. But see how when I'm walking around, it's just an interesting video to watch and people love to go on a journey with you. So I'm still live and I'm just walking around with my laptop, feel like a bit of an idiot, but that's okay because I'm talking to you guys. By the way, check it out. New offices, 2 videographers. One's our triple threat Mars. She's a videographer, photographer, and graphic designer. The other one, Jazz. They start today at 10 o'clock. Desk over here for our operations manager, Alicia. I do the big handover today. I need to show you this. My office. A bomb has landed. Look at this freaking mess. I'm sorting it out. School holiday project. In here, this is our training room, by the way, if none of you have ever been to the 7 Effect. We've got it all set up because there's 7 of us now in Team 7 Effect, and we are having a training day. We've got a whole day. I'm taking the team out to lunch at lunchtime, and we're going to be hanging out here as a team, going through some fundamentals of the 7 effect and having a bit of fun. Oh, Tony says, you've inspired me. Yeah. Walking around, Tony, is a really great thing to do when you're doing a video, because I think as well it helps you. You know how Eleanor was saying at the retreat, she stands up to get the right energy. Walking around while you're doing videos keeps you in this high, engaged kind of energy. So I look forward to seeing you walking around in your video challenge. Maybe that's what you'll do today. All right, so that's it from me, folks. By the way, say hello, Alicia. Let's come in. This is the operations manager, my new boss. I report to her as of today. So that's it for today's instructions. Have fun, go live, keep it simple, sit in a desk, make yourself comfy, and be still, or get some energy around it. Stick your phone on a selfie stick, or even just hold it, but I do recommend a selfie stick. If you get a chance today, go out and buy yourself a selfie stick if you haven't got one already. Probably one of the best things you can get. You don't need the world's craziest epic selfie stick, but when we were doing some lives at the Brain Body Business Retreat, Amber showed me how she had a setup like this, and I was like, oh wow, that's really cool. Selfie stick envy. So I thought, yep, this is good. What I like about this as well is it opens out as a little tripod, so you can sit it there. What I don't like about it is it's not extendable. So my other selfie sticks have a remote. This doesn't have a remote. And it doesn't have an extendable stick. So it's not a photo taking selfie stick. It is a vlogging video selfie stick. Either way, it's pretty cool. All right, that's it from me, folks. Have a great day. If you are not following us on our page, which is the 7 Effect, THE number 7 Effect, our Facebook page or our Instagram profile, jump on there as well, because that's where I'm going to be posting my challenges for the day. You have till midnight tonight to go live. Have fun. Share them in here as well and let us know how you go. Tag me when you go live too if you want me to watch your video and give you some feedback. Woohoo! Let's do it. See ya. Thanks for watching me live, everybody. Bye-bye.